Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the best drift ghost action camera under $500 in 2026 that you can buy right now. These cameras are perfect for biking, motorvlogging, and extreme sports, offering long battery life and stable POV recording. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more action camera reviews. Starting at number 1. XbotGo Chameleon AI Auto Sports Action Camera. The XbotGo Chameleon AI Auto Sports Action Camera, Lava Graphite, is a smart 4K 60 FPS sports tracking camera system designed for automatically capturing fast-moving team sports like soccer and basketball without a dedicated camera operator. It uses AI-powered tracking to follow players and the ball in real time, with features such as auto zoom, zone mapping, and predictive motion tracking to keep the action centered and smooth. The device supports live streaming to platforms like YouTube and Facebook, along with instant highlight generation for quick sharing of key moments. It works with both iOS and Android through a companion app, requires no monthly subscription, and is designed for easy setup with tripod mounting for hands-free recording. Number 2. Drift Innovation Ghost XL Action Camera. The Drift Innovation Ghost XL Action Camera is a versatile full HD action and dash cam designed for long-duration recording and rugged outdoor use. It captures 1080p Full HD video and 12MP still photos while offering a distinctive 300 degrees rotating lens that allows flexible mounting and easy angle adjustment in any orientation. Built for endurance, it features an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can withstand rain and even brief submersion without an extra case, making it suitable for sports and motorbike use. One of its standout features is the powerful 3000 mAh battery, delivering up to 9 hours of continuous recording, along with dash cam mode for loop recording and driving safety. With built-in Wi-Fi, motion/event detection, and support for microSD storage, it is designed for both action capture and everyday vehicle recording. Number 3. GoPro Hero. The GoPro Hero is a compact and durable waterproof action camera designed for capturing high-quality footage in a wide range of environments. It records stunning 4K Ultra HD video and takes 12MP photos, delivering sharp detail and vibrant colors for both action shots and everyday moments. Built with a rugged, waterproof design, it can be used in water, sports, and outdoor adventures without needing an extra housing. The camera features a responsive touch screen that makes it easy to navigate settings, preview footage, and control recording. With advanced stabilization, voice control, and seamless connectivity through the GoPro app, it is ideal for travel, sports, and content creation. Number 4. GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra. The GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra Wide Edition is a high-performance waterproof action camera designed for capturing extremely wide and detailed footage in professional quality resolution. It records up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and takes 27MP photos, delivering sharp clarity and rich detail in both video and still images. This ultra-wide edition features a boosted 177-degree field of view, allowing users to capture more of the scene in every shot, making it ideal for action sports, travel, and immersive filming. It is also compatible with HB series lenses, giving users expanded creative flexibility for different shooting styles. Built with GoPro's rugged waterproof design and advanced stabilization technology, it ensures smooth, stable footage even in extreme environments. Number 5. Toberto 4K Thumb Action Camera. The Toberto 4K Thumb Action Camera is a compact mini-body camera designed for hands-free POV recording, making it ideal for sports, vlogging, and everyday capture. It records in 4K resolution and features a wide 150 degrees field of view to capture more of the surroundings in each shot. With built-in Wi-Fi, users can easily transfer and control footage through a smartphone app. The camera includes EIS, electronic image stabilization, to help produce smoother, more stable videos during movement, along with a waterproof design for outdoor use in different conditions. Its magnetic wearable design allows it to be mounted almost anywhere for flexible shooting angles, and it comes with 64 GB of storage for convenient recording right out of the box. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. All product links are in the video description below. See you in the next video.